If you want to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to remove your Chrome history on Windows, Linux, or Mac using a simple keyboard shortcut. This is useful if you want to clean up your browser, protect your privacy, or just clear out old website visits you no longer need. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you do not need to go through menus one by one. Instead, use a shortcut to open the Clear Browsing Data window instantly. If you are on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you are using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete together. As soon as you do that, the Clear Browsing Data window will appear on your screen. Now look at the pop-up box. At the top, you will see a time range drop-down menu. Click that menu and choose how far back you want Chrome to clear. You can select options like last hour if you only want to remove very recent activity, last 7 days if you want to clear a week's worth of history, or all time if you want to wipe everything from your browsing history. After that, make sure the box next to browsing history is checked. This is the setting that removes the list of websites you have visited. If you only want to clear your browsing history and keep other data, you can leave the other boxes unchecked. For example, if you do not want to remove cookies or cached images, simply uncheck those options. That way, you are only deleting the history and not affecting the rest of your browser data. Once you have selected the time range and confirmed the browsing history option, look for the blue Delete Data button. Click that button and Chrome will begin clearing the selected history from your browser. Depending on how much data you are deleting, it may take just a moment to finish. When it is done, your browsing history for the chosen time range will be removed. And that is how you clear browsing history in Google Chrome in just a few seconds. It is a simple process once you know the shortcut, and it can save you time anytime you want to manage your privacy or clean up your browser. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.